This chef started as a dishwasher, and now he's crafting menu items at TAO Group. TAO Group is a hospitality company that's known for over 30 venues worldwide, including LA, Las Vegas, Singapore, and Sydney. From Mexico to Manhattan, Chef Victor has worked his way up the kitchen ranks, and today he's telling us how he came so far. He came to the US as a teenager without any schooling.
I got here when I was 16 years old, started from the bottom, just like a lot of people in New York. Definitely was a challenge before, first of all, because of the language. I didn't speak any English.
As of 2016, about 43% of restaurant chefs in the US are foreign-born. But Victor didn't always plan on working in the kitchen.
I never knew I was going to become a chef. It's just the passion that I got working in the kitchen. The chef, like making nice dishes, creating food. That's what got me into the restaurant business and be where I am.
He had his eyes set on working for TAO Group's Asian restaurant called TAO. He applied 4 times before they gave him a job.
I wanted to be at TAO. I really wanted to be at TAO. I really did want to work at TAO, and I did it.
But a lot has changed since Victor's dishwashing days. Now, he helps craft menu items at Bodega Negra at the Dream Downtown Hotel. Customers get a glimpse of Victor's Mexican roots in the $85 Fiesta Suprema seafood tower. It's loaded with tostadas, ceviche, guacamole, and much more.
Right now it's different, it feels different. I know the language and my passion is cooking, so from there it's easy to be creative